And now, your Storm Shield forecast with NBC26 meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Those winds were howling out there today across northeast Wisconsin. Check out some of these wind gusts from across the area. Two Rivers and Washington Island both reporting a gust of 57 miles per hour. Omro near 50-mile-per-hour wind gusts there. Appleton 45 miles per hour. Combined locks 44 miles per hour. That was the case in Green Bay and Watoma as well. Sturgeon Bay too, 44 miles per hour and 43-mile-per-hour wind gust recorded in Oshkosh. And the winds still fairly gusty out there right now. It's going to be a windy night and still pretty windy into tomorrow, but it's not going to be as strong, the winds, tomorrow as it was out there for today. So some good news there. Winds still sustained as high as 20 miles per hour or more in some spots, and then we're seeing gusts up above 30 miles per hour across a good chunk of northeast Wisconsin, a current gust of 36 miles per hour in Sheboygan. Still have that wind advisory up in Door County. That continues until midnight. This is all thanks to that very powerful area of low pressure that brought the blizzard conditions to the Dakotas, brought us the rain yesterday. That is moving on out, but we still have some clouds across the area that we're going to contend with tonight into tomorrow. Could see even a few flurries as well through the overnight hours especially. Temperatures, we're in the 20s right now in Green Bay, but colder air has been moving on in over the last several hours after high temperatures earlier today in the 40s. It felt quite nice out there in Manitowoc. We almost hit 50 degrees today, but going to be much colder here now through the rest of the week. 25 degrees, the current temperature right now in Green Bay, a west-southwest wind at 17 miles per hour. The wind chill down to 12 degrees. So it is cold out there if you have to head outside. Currently 21 degrees in Appleton, but it feels like only 5 degrees right now. Temperatures are in the 20s across the area, 25 in Kewaunee, 22 in Oshkosh. It's 23 in Clintonville and 20 up in Mountain. But when you factor in those strong winds, wind chills are in the single digits and teens, and they'll keep dropping here as we go through the overnight hours down to the single digits through much of the area to start off your Tuesday. So colder heading out the door tomorrow. And with these colder temperatures, all the water that we've kind of accumulated from all that melting snow and the rain from yesterday, any of that water that's kind of standing, it will freeze tonight. So there could be some slick spots as you head out the door tomorrow morning. So be advised of that. Also on the sidewalks too, if they're not treated. As far as skycast looking like this, mostly cloudy tonight, mostly cloudy tomorrow as well. Windy and colder. Highs tomorrow only in the 20s. And then skies will clear out as we head on into your Tuesday evening and Tuesday night. And once again, we'll head for the teens for tomorrow night. Now, if you're going to be doing any kind of traveling across the country, now that the holidays are over, at least Christmas is, it does look pretty unsettled in the northwest. Could run into some delays there, but the Midwest and central U.S. is pretty quiet. Some storms down to the south and also some active weather up in New England. As far as the weekend goes, for our next big holiday we're looking forward to, New Year's, it looks like we could see a few snow showers on Saturday, but for the most part, it doesn't look like a big deal. We'll watch it, of course, but a more potent system looks to move on in next Monday, New Year's Day. Colder, but looks dry, so good news there. Your forecast tonight, 18 degrees. Some slick spots possible as those temperatures continue to tumble. Tomorrow, a high of 25, mostly cloudy and still windy. Then your extended forecast, a few flurries possible on Thursday. And then again, as we head into the weekend, we'll have that chance for some snow showers on Saturday. A bigger system Monday. Could see a rain-snow mix. We'll have to watch that and kind of fine-tune what's going to happen there.
All right, and like you said, tomorrow morning could be slick out there with all that melting snow from today freezing.
Yeah, just keep an eye on that. Also, maybe some black ice too, so just be careful.
All right, take your time. Thanks so much, Matt.